When it comes to upgrading or replacing windows in your home, proper installation is just as critical as selecting the right window style and material. For homeowners in Pell City, where the climate presents its own set of challenges, ensuring your windows are installed correctly is vital for maintaining comfort, energy efficiency, and protection against the elements. Let's explore why proper window installation is so important for Pell City's climate and how it can benefit your home. Protect your home against the elements. Pell City experiences a range of weather conditions throughout the year, from hot, humid summers to chilly winters and occasional storms. Properly installed windows act as the first line of defense against these elements, keeping your home secure and comfortable. Seal out moisture. Improper installation can lead to gaps between the window frame and your home, allowing water to seep in during heavy rains. Over time, this can cause mold, mildew, and even structural damage. Prevent air leaks. Poorly fitted windows can create drafts, making it difficult to maintain a consistent indoor temperature. This is especially problematic during Pell City's colder months, when drafts can make your home feel chilly and uncomfortable. Storm readiness. In areas prone to severe weather, like Pell City, properly installed windows are essential for withstanding high winds and heavy rain. Secure installation helps protect your home and provides peace of mind during storms. Maximize energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is a top priority for many homeowners in Pell City, where hot summers can lead to high cooling costs. Proper window installation ensures that your windows perform as intended, helping to keep energy bills under control. Maintain insulation. Gaps or poor seals around your windows compromise their ability to insulate your home. Proper installation ensures a tight seal, reducing heat transfer and keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Optimize low-E glass. Energy-efficient windows with low-E, low emissivity glass are designed to reflect heat and block harmful UV rays. However, their performance can be significantly diminished if they're not installed correctly. Lower utility bills. By preventing air leaks and improving insulation, properly installed windows can reduce your energy consumption, saving you money month after month. Extend the life of your windows. Investing in high-quality windows is only worthwhile if they're installed to last. Proper installation prevents premature wear and tear, ensuring your windows remain functional and attractive for years to come. Prevent warping and cracking. Incorrect installation can put undue stress on window frames, leading to warping or cracking over time. Avoid hardware malfunctions. Windows that are not level or properly aligned may have issues with opening, closing, or locking, which can compromise their usability and security. Protect warranties. Many window manufacturers require professional installation to maintain their warranties. By ensuring your windows are installed correctly, you can protect your investment and enjoy peace of mind. Enhance indoor comfort. The right windows can significantly improve your home's indoor comfort, but only if they're installed correctly. Proper installation ensures consistent temperatures. No more hot spots near windows during the summer or cold drafts in the winter. Noise reduction. Professionally installed windows provide better soundproofing, blocking out unwanted noise from busy streets or neighbors. UV protection. Correctly installed low-E windows help protect your interior furnishings from fading due to UV exposure. Boost home value and curb appeal. For homeowners in Pell City, investing in proper window installation is also a smart way to enhance your property's value and curb appeal. Professionally installed windows look better, perform better, and signal to potential buyers that your home is well maintained. High-quality installation ensures clean lines, secure fittings, and a polished finish that complements your home's architecture. Rely on professional installation services. While some homeowners may consider DIY window installation to save money, this approach often leads to costly mistakes. Professional installers in Pell City have the expertise and tools needed to ensure your windows are fitted correctly, including precise measurements. Professionals measure accurately to ensure a snug, secure fit for your windows. Expert techniques. Proper sealing, leveling, and alignment techniques ensure your windows perform at their best. Compliance with local codes. Professional installers are familiar with Pell City's building codes and regulations, ensuring your windows meet all necessary standards. Conclusion. Invest in proper window installation. Proper window installation is essential for protecting your home, maximizing energy efficiency, and ensuring long-term comfort in Pell City's unique climate. By working with a trusted professional, you can avoid common issues like air leaks, moisture damage, and reduced performance, all while enhancing your home's value and appeal. If you're considering a window upgrade, don't overlook the importance of expert installation. Contact a reputable local installer in Pell City to ensure your windows are installed correctly and enjoy the many benefits they bring to your home. With the right windows and professional installation, your home will be ready to handle whatever the Pell City climate throws its way.